Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go ahead and cover some of the most commonly used keyboard shortcuts on Microsoft Excel. I went ahead and put a link to some additional documentation where it actually gives you guys some more shortcuts that you guys can try out, but we're just going to go ahead and cover some of the most commonly used ones. So let's go ahead and start here with cell A1. Let's say I wanted to actually copy the cell and paste it somewhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the cell. So now that we have it highlighted, I'll do Control C on my keyboard. And now you can see this little animated border around that cell. So that means we can do something with it. So let's come over here to F1 and let's do Control V on our keyboard. So now I actually was able to paste the value from A1 over to F1. I could do the same thing for G1. I could just keep pasting it, but let's go ahead and try out the cut option. So say we wanted to cut the cell and then we wanted to paste it somewhere. So the difference between cut and copy is once we cut and paste it, it should remove it from B1. So now that I have it selected, let's come over here to Control X, and then we'll come over here to G1, and then we're going to press Control V again. So you can see now that we went ahead and did a cut and paste rather than a copy and paste, it went ahead and removed it from B1. Now, if we wanted to actually undo the action that we just did, we can do Control Z on our keyboard, and you can see that it undid it. Now, if we want to redo what we just did, we can do Control Y. And some other cool keyboard shortcuts, let's say we want to go ahead and bolden this, we can do Control B. So now we have some bold text, so we don't have to come up here in the ribbon or the little mini editor to do it. And if you want to unbolden it, just the same thing, we can go ahead and select it and then do Control B again, and it'll remove it. Same thing if we want to italicize, we could do Control I. So now it's italicized. And if you want to underline, it's Control U. Now, if you come over to one of these options on the ribbon, so maybe the redo or the undo, for example, if you highlight it, if there is a keyboard shortcut available, you'll have the option right there. So you see for redo, it's Control Y, undo is Control Z, save is Control S. So if you want to save something, you can just do Control S rather than having to click on the floppy disk or leave your autosave on. If you want to copy something, you can see it's Control C, and then cut is Control X, which we just covered. And there's a whole bunch of options here. There's actually even options for, I think even some of the borders have ways that you can actually use keyboard shortcuts to add in borders. If you want to go ahead and let's try to find another one here. There's got to be another one on here somewhere. There you go. Table is Control T. So yeah, just go ahead and play around with the ribbon and try to learn some of these different shortcuts. I know it's going to be difficult to remember all of them, but if you can make maybe your own little guide of some of the different shortcuts somewhere, like I like to save them on a notepad, and sometimes I'll just leave it open while I'm working on my Excel document, just so that I get in the habit of using those keyboard shortcuts over and over, and then it just becomes muscle memory and you just remember them. But yeah, once you're able to get those keyboard shortcuts, it makes it so much quicker than having to come up here in the ribbon and try to find something or to search for it.